What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Lil Ricky kickstand block. This extends to your kickstand for about 2 inches, and it kind of gets rid of that lean when you have a lifted suspension. And I'll leave the link to where you can get this guy. Give him a follow on Instagram too, Lil Ricky. I'll put the Instagram handle there, and we'll install this on. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, as you can see here, the holes. These will be you drill the kickstand, and it'll go into these guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay a piece of tape on here, cut it out to the exact size where the holes are and everything, and then basically just put it on top of the kickstand, and hopefully that'll it'll mark exactly where I need to drill the holes. Okay, yeah, so excuse my mess here, but too lazy to clean all this up. We'll take these off here. Basically the kickstand will sit right on top of this. So what we're gonna do is put some tape down. Lay some tape on top of it. And then cut it up. That's good enough. So get the edges there. So we'll just cut this off without cutting my fucking fingers. This is the way that I saw somebody do it on Instagram. Not my idea. Alright, it's whatever. It's good enough. We'll just try and make our holes here. All right. So that should be good. Now we're gonna go over to the bike. So we're just gonna clean the top of this so I can stick the tape to it. And like you see, I already set the bike on the block, piece of wood here, and that will make the drilling easy here, hopefully. Alright, so we got our little piece of tape here, and we're basically gonna try to line it up here the best we can. Let's see where it best matches the kick here. Come on. Okay, so let's get this done here. Alright guys, so a few hours later here, and we finally got our holes drilled. It took a while to get this stuff. This kickstand is tough, and what I actually ended up doing, I actually ended up threading it with this tap and die set I have to actually allow me to thread them through. And, you know, maybe give me a little bit more stability, I guess, keep them from falling out. And yeah, so let's put this thing on now. Alright, this one's gonna be a little sketchy. I'm just gonna try to do it by just tilting the bike over. Alright. So this guy going like so. Oh shit. Look at my leg. I can't control it. It's the pressure. It's stretching out so much. Alright. I think I got it. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah, damn it. I was afraid this was gonna come in a little bit crooked. It is a little bit crooked on one side. So it's not wanting to thread through. Let's actually here put this one here. You can totally see the difference now. She leans almost nothing now. And it's good because I'm also going to lift the front suspension pretty soon here. Let's just get a little close up of what it ended up looking like. Boom. Not bad. One little thing: do not tap and die the kickstand. The bolt will thread in, and then what ended up happening was I threaded this one through the kickstand, and then when I got to this point, the block couldn't come all the way up. So basically, it stops because I threaded in, so now it's tight, and now I can't really get close on this guy. So there was a bit of a gap. So what I did, I just drilled all the way through. So it's not a good idea. So just drill all the way through those holes. That way it's actually nice and snug and tight. And yeah, that's basically it. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. I got some more upgrades coming soon on the mail, or in the mail right now. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one.